Which among the following is a wrong statement? Option A. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. This is a true statement because brown algae do have chlorophyll A and C and also fucoxanthin, which gives them their characteristic brown color. That means option A is an incorrect answer. Coming to option B, Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and Gymnosperms. This is also a true statement because Archegonia represents the female reproductive organs and they are found in Bryophyta, which is the mosses, Pteridophyta, which is the ferns and Gymnosperms. So option B is an incorrect answer. Option C, Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. This is also true. Mucor is a genus of fungi and it has biflagellate zoospores, that is zoospores with two flagella. So option C is also a true statement, which makes it an incorrect answer. Option D, haploid endosperm is a typical feature of gymnosperms. This is incorrect. Gymnosperms typically have a haploid gametophyte generation and a diploid endosperm. However, in angiosperm, they do have a haploid endosperm. So, haploid endosperm is a typical feature of gymnosperms, not angiosperms. So, the correct answer is option D, which is a wrong statement.